welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Sheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you love home decorating and you love decorating your home with style on a budget, then this is the channel for you. If by the end of the video you like what you have seen, I would hope you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. Guys, so the other day we started decorating my kitchen. We started with the island, and I am so pumped. Oh my gosh. So you guys know I love to decorate black and white. Black and white are my signature colors. I accent with greens and silvers. But I don't use a lot of the other colors. I'm not a big fan of color. However, during the fall time, I love to bring in those warm golden tones. So I'll bring in some brass and some gold, just to warm it up, to give my home that warm, cozy vibe for fall. My boyfriend really doesn't like those colors. I don't know why. He's just more of a silver fan. So, you know, I try to balance the mix between what he likes and what I like, because it's our home. It's not my home. It's ours. So as such, I decided, okay, this year I'm not going to bring in as many of those golden brassy tones. I'm going to bring in bronze. Bronze is more similar to black in color. It's more muted, but it also still helps bring in those warm tones. And that's what I did on my kitchen island. We upcycled 2 pieces of decor that I already had. I told you guys we are shopping my home this year. We are not buying a lot of new home decor. So I shopped my home. I found those vases. I didn't like the color, so I used spray paint to change up to give them a whole new look, with that bronzy golden tone, or it's not really golden. It's more of like a bronzy black is what I just would describe it. But I absolutely love it. And then we brought in those fall stems from Michael's. Oh my gosh, guys, you can see a little bit back here. So previously we decorated my entryway, and I used those natural mauve stems that we picked up from Hobby Lobby. But I thought, I want to give it a little more punch. So I added a brown hydrangea from Hobby Lobby, and I also used a black magnolia stem that has like the little bit of warm golden brown, if you can see that. I'll give you a closer look here in a minute, but oh my gosh, I just love the look. Look how nice that looks. It's so warm. And then we have the brassy pomegranates down here at the bottom. And then we have that little, it's what I call like 2 fortune cookies like put together that we picked up from Ross on clearance, but it brings in a little bit of warmth. So even though it is brass, you know, it's not a lot. My boyfriend can't complain too much, and he likes the way this looks. Again, it brings in that warmth for fall, and that's what we are going for, a warm, moody home for fall. So as such, we are going to continue decorating our kitchen, and in today's video, we are going to be decorating my countertops in the kitchen. So I want to bring in those warmer colors, and I'm thinking about spray painting some other things. I also found one thing that I saw at Target that, you know, I thought would be really nice in the kitchen to use. I'm thinking about getting that. We're going to go look at it. I don't know if I'm going to get it. It's not that much, so we're not spending a lot of money, and for the majority of the items we are using what I already have. But I saw that and I'm thinking, that might look really nice, so I want to go look at that. And then my kitchen towels. I don't have any kitchen towels to go with my fall theme, which is a warm, moody, cozy fall, bringing in those warmer tones of, as you can see, the mauves, the browns, the leaves that are turning a little bit green, but also still have a little brown and have the mauve. That's what I'm going for fall, that moody vibe. So I need some kitchen towels. So as such, I thought we would also stop at Hobby Lobby. I saw someone who showed some really nice kitchen towels. They were like a warm amber color, and with white leaves on them. Not my style, but I thought I would go look at them in person to see if I thought they might fit in the kitchen. With the vignette on the island, I think they might go perfectly. And then with everything else that I'm adding on the counters in the kitchen, I don't know. I think they might be perfect, but if not, we'll just look around Hobby Lobby to see what else they have. So if you want to see what we're going to find and how the kitchen, the finished kitchen, is going to look after we style and decorate any items that we picked up and using other items in our home. Just make sure you keep watching. Again, I just love the island and I cannot wait to finish decorating out the kitchen. So if you want to see how that space is going to look once we're done, just make sure you keep watching. And with that, my friends, let's go off to, let's go to Hobby Lobby first. All right, let's go. All right, before we go, I wanted to show you how these stems look in the space. So I added in one of these stems from Michael's. I just absolutely love this stem. I love the color. It's got a little bit of green, a little bit of mauve. The same here with a little bit of brown. I also brought in a different hydrangea. This one's a little smaller. They call it brown. I wasn't really a fan of this color, and I thought about taking them back to Michael's and getting the other ones that I like, the ones that are in the kitchen, but I decided to go ahead and stick it in here to see how I liked it. And I don't know, I think the warm browny yellow tone, because it seems more yellow to me, not brown, does play really well with the mauve, and it's bringing in the warmth that I absolutely love for fall. So compared with our little decorative object that we picked up from Ross, and then our brass pomegranates here at the bottom, I do think that makes a really nice and inviting statement here in the entryway. So I think that I will, oops, running into my tripod. So I think that I will keep the look. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. But I did want to show you that. And also you see the books. Oh my gosh, the brown books play so nicely, bringing in those warm colors for fall. We still need to do our fall DIY using that faux suede fabric that we picked up when we thrifted. That project is coming up, so I'm just loving how my home is starting to come together for fall. I just want to go ahead and get it done so I can enjoy it, because before you know it, Christmas will be here. And leave me a comment down below and let me know if you want to hear about my Christmas plans and my Christmas colors. If so, maybe I'll talk about it, or maybe I'll surprise you, because it's going to be a little bit different this year. I am still using my black and white, but it's going to be a little bit different. So if you're interested, let me know and I might talk about it. But all right, that's enough of that. So let's head off to Hobby Lobby. All right, let's go into Hobby Lobby and see what we can find. All right, so I found these pumpkins here. I like these. These are like a brown color. And then this one more of an amber color, a more moody color, which I like. It goes more with my moody fall vibe. They have this one as well, but not a price, so I'm not sure what I am going to do. I also have these over here as well. They're not cloches though. They don't have a price. No, they do. These don't. What to do? Well, and I'm not finding the towels that I want. So I have these two pumpkins out. Trying to debate what I'm going to do. I wish they had this one in a smaller size like that. Let's see. All right, I had to hunt down a sales associate since none of these have a price. This one is a little less than 11 inches tall and it's $28.99. And this one is 9 inches tall and it is $23.99 at 40% off. A lot better than the ones from Pottery Barn and Crate and Barrel. So if you're looking for that look, I would come to Hobby Lobby and hopefully you can find these pumpkins, these cloches. I really wish they had a smaller one in that one, but I don't know. I think I might get these two. Alright, so they did not have any kitchen tiles that I liked at Hobby Lobby, so let's see if we might be lucky in Ross. Looks like Ross is putting out a few Christmas items. That's not what we're here for, so let's go look at these towels. Can we find anything? No turkeys. No skulls. This is too yellow. This would be good if I were doing my black and white. Wouldn't you know? Let's see. Got some wooden spoons. Might work. Football. I got these. Nothing that I truly love. Like this. There's nothing that I like. Nothing new over here either. This reminds me of something like ventricles in your body. I don't like that. Yep, nothing that I like. We might be out of luck on hand towels. It's a nice tall mirror. That's a Moody floral piece for $25. That as well. These two would go really nicely together. But I don't see anything else that I would buy today. Let's look over here. Halloween. Big ghost. Not a lot of fall. So we are going to have to think of something else for the hand towels. But let's go see if we can find any more of those Karl Lagerfeld. Pillows. This one is 50. Variation of browns. And then this one. And no price. This one's nice. 30. Nice little marble pieces. This is a nice side table. 35. This will be good underneath an entryway console table. Like that color, mushroomy color. It's 35. Like this piece. And it is another one of these. This is 45. I like that color. This is nice too. At the end of the bed, very soft at 80. I have this material. Let's see, this one is 40. How much is this one? Looks like the price tag is gone. A bunch of browns. 50. This is nice. It had a small entryway. 130. Has more of these over here. So a lot of these today. It's 90 for this dark brown color. Smaller one, 90. And this larger one